Have you ever felt like the whole world is against you? You're not alone. But here's the thing. Even in those moments, there's something inside of you that can shine through. Have you ever seen the sky when it's cloudy? Even if you can't see it, the sun is still there behind the clouds, always shining. It's just like you. Inside of you is a strong spirit ready to face any challenge. Life can be hard. Sometimes things don't go your way. But even when times are tough, you should never give up. Think of it this way. Every problem is like a puzzle. You just need to find a way to solve it. Every challenge you face is a chance for you to learn and grow. You know about diamonds, right? They're shiny and strong, but before they become shiny, they face a lot of pressure. You're like that diamond. Hard times can make you even stronger. If you ever feel like quitting, remember this. It's not about how many times you fall. It's about how many times you get back up. Your dreams matter. You are strong and you can push through tough times. Keep this thought with you. Keep going even when it's hard. That's when it really counts. There's so much potential inside of you. Always believe in yourself and never give up.